I would have said, why we go.
That's my right, and I have exercised it. That's my answer.
And then the course of today's proceeding expressed frustration about how this in a club to the current convention that would have helped to
I didn't express frustration. I rather brought before my lords a situation of extreme urgency and a situation that is of fundamental importance to democratic growth. And you can see that they also appreciated that position and are bent backwards to give me 1 day to file my brief and give the other party 3 days to file. And in a show of understanding, they also adjourned the matter to 22nd of this month. So for hearing of the matter, whether or not leadership question is justiciable. That's all that we are here. When we're coming to when we get there, we'll know what to do. It's not a matter for the press. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, the backdrop to what transpired in court today is essentially the application of the appellant, that is Senator David Mark, requesting the Supreme Court to grant a stay of execution of the judgment of the Court of Appeal. They also sought alternative reliefs to restrain INEC, from enforcing the judgment of the Court of Appeal, amongst other reliefs that they asked. So I don't know, for whatever the reason may be, they have compiled and transmitted their record since the 31st of March. That's more than 14 days ago. They did not file a brief of argument, and but the Supreme Court really bent over backwards to accommodate accelerated hearing of this appeal, because there was no formal application before the courts. The interest was essentially to just get a stop execution of the orders of the Court of Appeal. So the Supreme Court gave the order that the case will be accelerated, and they were basically given less than 24 hours to file their brief, which is tomorrow. We were given 3 days to file our own brief, even though we requested for 5 days. And now the appeal itself, on the basis of the notice of appeal that they filed on the 16th of March, is fixed for the 22nd of April for definite hearing by the Supreme Court.